Hello, today we are at Casa Grande, a large 4-bed, 3-bath in Limaria. You go through the iron gate access onto the private driveway, which has car parking space for 2 cars. This property has archways with wraparound balconies on the lower and top level, giving stunning views from up there as well. You have a high wall here which the pool is behind, so it's totally private and nobody can see in. And as you can see, all the way around the pool area you have fantastic views. Got your outdoor shower. Can you see the mountain tops from here as well? It's got lovely bollards there with your lovely archway, so you can have some lovely garden furniture on there. A couple of steps into the main entrance. All the doors and windows are wooden shutters. You've got some nice garden area around here. The property has been empty for a few years and will need a few bits and bobs doing to it in the full description. Got some nice shrubs and trees and plants. So you've got your storage shed around the back there. Go back to the front of the property. So going back round to the front, up the steps into the main entrance, we'll go around the wraparound balcony first and into the pool area. As you can see, the beautiful views again. And this would make a fantastic, lovely barbecue area. Outside dining. Little covered bit there for an extra bit of shade for entertaining, and then the gate access down to the pool area again with the views. Just one step down and a bit more space there. Let's go inside the property. So going through the main entrance, we have a large hallway, entrance hall, with a fantastic wooden staircase going up to the top floor. To the right, we have one of the first lounges. This could also be a dining room because this property has 2 lounges. You've got ceiling fan in here, and again the wooden shutters, and the door access out onto the pool area. From here, you go through into the kitchen diner, through a nice archway. It's a very large kitchen diner as well, with a separate utility room, wooden units, and again a ceiling fan in here as well. You've got the gas hob electric oven. Lovely tiles all throughout and matching terracotta tiles all on the floor throughout the property as well. So here you have the utility room, and there's a door there as well for access to the back of the property. Just do a little pan around here so you can see the lounge area again. And let's go through to the other side. So back into the hallway, we come to the first door, which has double wooden doors access into the lounge area with a log burner, ceiling fan. So again, you can either have this property as 2 lounges or as a dining room and then a lounge area as well. Do a quick pan round in here. So from there back out into the hallway, we have one of the first bedrooms, which is downstairs. All of these bedrooms are huge. Really good spacious rooms and plenty of room for doubles. You have the ceiling fan in here, and then in all the rooms upstairs you've got aircon in all the bedrooms up there. So really great size room here. And from here to the left you've got the first bathroom. That's got the bathtub. And let's go upstairs. So up from the beautiful staircase, I'm just going to show you that from up here. Lovely wooden staircase. If you take the left, you can see there is doors going out onto the balcony. Let's go out there first. So up here you've got fantastic views again of Limaria. You're just a couple of minutes drive to the bar Limaria, very popular. You've got double doors here that go onto one of the bedrooms, so you can have a nice little furniture set out here to admire the lovely views and peacefulness. And this wraps round to there. So onto the first of the bedrooms upstairs. There is 3 altogether up here. You've got, it's set up as a twin at the moment, but plenty of room for a king or a double. You've got ceiling fan, aircon, and then you've got plenty of room in here. And it's got the entrance onto the balcony from this bedroom. Into the master, again a huge room. You've got your aircon unit, your ceiling fan, 2 windows in this room, set out with a double bed, a very large room, and this one has the lovely master bathroom, ensuite, sorry. Really nice light bright colour. This one consists of a shower. So back into the hallway, and we have the family bathroom on this top floor. This one has the bathtub in, matching tiles to the ensuite in the master bedroom. Back into the hall, and we have the 3rd and final bedroom. Set out as a twin, as you can see again, absolutely huge and plenty of room for a double or super king, with aircon and ceiling fan and fantastic views all around the property. So this property is Casa Grande. For more details, call us on +34 950 430 763 or email us at khalidahomes@hotmail.com.